Introduction to Modernist Architecture. Modernist architecture, which emerged in the early 20th century, has profoundly influenced contemporary design. Characterized by simplicity, functionality, and a focus on new materials and technologies, modernism set the stage for many principles and aesthetics that continue to shape architectural practices today. Emphasis on simplicity and functionality. Modernist architecture is known for its emphasis on simplicity and functionality. This approach prioritized clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on practical use. Contemporary design continues to embrace these principles, often opting for streamlined forms and a less is more philosophy that values clarity and purpose in architectural elements. Use of new materials and technologies. Modernist architects pioneered the use of new materials and construction techniques, such as steel, glass, and reinforced concrete. These innovations allowed for new forms and structures, including open floor plans and large windows. Contemporary architecture builds on these advancements, incorporating cutting-edge materials and technologies to create innovative, sustainable designs. Focus on open spaces and natural light. Modernist design favored open, flexible spaces and the integration of natural light. This approach was a departure from traditional compartmentalized layouts and dark interiors. Contemporary architecture often features open-plan layouts and extensive glazing to maximize natural light, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of interior spaces. Influence on aesthetic minimalism. The minimalist aesthetic of modernist architecture has had a lasting impact on contemporary design. The focus on simplicity, geometric forms, and the absence of superfluous decoration are hallmarks of both styles. Contemporary designers continue to draw inspiration from modernism, creating spaces that emphasize form and function while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. Integration with nature. Modernist architects emphasize the relationship between buildings and their natural surroundings, often incorporating elements of nature into their designs. This integration is seen in contemporary architecture through the use of natural materials, green roofs, and biophilic design principles, which aim to create harmonious and sustainable connections between built environments and nature. Impact on urban planning. Modernist principles have influenced urban planning, particularly through the concept of functional zoning and the separation of residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Contemporary urban design often continues to apply these principles while adapting to modern needs, such as mixed-use developments and pedestrian-friendly environments that blend functionality with livability. Legacy of iconic modernist structures. Iconic modernist structures, such as Le Corbusier's Villa Savoy or Ludwig Mies van der Rohe's Seagram building, have become benchmarks in architectural design. These buildings not only serve as historical references but also inspire contemporary architects in terms of form, spatial organization, and material use. Adaptation to contemporary needs. While modernist architecture laid the groundwork for many contemporary design practices, today's architects adapt these principles to address current issues, such as sustainability, technology, and changing lifestyles. Contemporary design often incorporates modernist ideals while innovating to meet the needs of the 21st century, including energy efficiency and smart technology integration. Conclusion. Modernist architecture has had a profound influence on contemporary design by promoting simplicity, functionality, and innovation. Its emphasis on new materials, open spaces, and integration with nature continues to shape architectural practices today. By building on the legacy of modernism while adapting to current trends and challenges, contemporary architecture carries forward the spirit of modernism into new and evolving contexts.